Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to change the font size in Google Messages app on any Android device or any Samsung device. So if you have used a Google Message application on your Android device and want to increase or decrease the Messages app font size, in this video I will show you two different methods to increase or decrease the font size. In the first method, you can use the Google Message app. Just open the Google Message application on your device. Now open any message you want to access. So here we open the Zomato message. Now to increase the font size, just pinch outwards on your screen to zoom the message or increase the font size. To decrease the font size in Google Message app, just pinch in like this to decrease the font size on your device. So quite easy to increase or decrease the font size in Google Messages app using your two finger. Also you can use the default setting in the display. So open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now here you can search for the display or scroll down up to display and touch. Different Android device or different Android OS version a different setting. So find the display settings on your Android device. Now looking for the display size or text size or font size on any other Android device. Now here you can see the font size option. It will make text bigger or smaller on your device. So here we increase the font size to full. So now you can see increase the font size. So when you open the message, you can see increase the font size also. So just open it. So just open the Google Message application and you can see increase the font size on your device. If you want to decrease it, again go to same display size, font size. Now set as the you want increase or decrease. Now go back to the text message or Google Message application and you can see change the font size in the Google Messages app on your Android device. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.